Hi all, I would like to teach you SAP EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Okay, so what are all the things I know I would like to teach you? Kindly support me, kindly encourage me. Okay, right from basics, I want to teach you. Okay, so first I would like to start with the basics, like so how the warehouse will be. See, for example, as shown in here, you could able to see this is the warehouse. For example, it's a simple warehouse. Okay, so here you can see in the warehouse, the truck comes to here. So this is the door. These are the different doors. So from here, the goods or the material will be unloaded. So it will be kept for time being. That is called goods receipt staging area. So from there, here it will be transferred to the any quality inspection or any work center like that. Then it will be put away in our required storage bin. Okay, so this is inbound process, and outbound process is whatever the material we have kept in the bin, so it will be picked and it will be transferred to the, or it will be moved to the goods issue staging area. Then from there it will be shipped to the end customer. Okay, this is for your just for a basic example I want to make you understand. Okay, we will see here now. So what are the different deployment options of EWM? So EWM can be deployed in different options, say like decentralized, embedded. Okay, so in the decentralized means the ECC or S4HANA, it will be, and the EWM. These will be both are in different systems, and embedded in the sense in the same system or box. The S4, I mean HANA system and the EWM system will be there. Okay, and in order to establish the communication between these two systems, we are having the concept called RFC destination. Okay, QRFC. So as shown here, you could able to see. So this is the HANA system, S4 system, and this is the EWM system. These two communication has to be happened via the QRFC. Okay, so that means via this is the logical systems. So to establish the communication between the two systems, we need the logical system. And this RFC destination logical systems set up everything in real-time environment. It will be configured by the base system. Okay, so just you understand for our learning purpose. So here, so they will configure the. We will see now. I will show you the. So these are the different deployment options for the EWM. Next, what are the main advantages of the EWM over WM? So the main advantages is it can be adaptable for even complex processes also. Okay, so we are having the new concepts like labor management and ad management and the POSC, process oriented storage control. Okay, so many new topics are there, and availability group, activity area. So these are all new topics. It's a enhanced version for the WM. Okay, and one more, so the effective utilization of the warehouse will be possible even for the complex processes also. Okay, for the EWM. Okay, then you can see here, this is the main organization structure. For example, this is the S4 system and this is the EWM system. Okay, so in the S4 side, we have to configure the company code, plant, storage location, warehouse number. That means for a warehouse number, a plant and storage location is mandatory. And for the combination of plant and storage location, a warehouse number has to be created. And in EWM system, EWM warehouse number has to be created and a link has to be assigned. That means we need to assign the ERP warehouse number to the EWM warehouse number. Okay, so in our HANA system or in ERP systems, we are having the concept of called stock types, unrestricted and blocked quality like that. Okay, so here there is no concept of plant and storage location creation in EWM system. Then how the stock will be determined? So for that, we are having the concept called availability group. Okay, we will see in our further classes. And the supply chain unit. So basically we are having the, we will define address for a particular plant. And even for storage location also we can define the address. But in EWM, as there is no plant and storage location, then how the, where the address will be maintained. So that is called the supply chain unit. Okay. So in the supply chain unit, there we it will be maintained the address for the particular warehouse, and the different roles it will be played. Shipping area, receipt, goods receipt area, goods receipt area office, like that. Different roles it will be played for the supply chain unit. This and all we will see in detail. So just for time being, just I'm showing to you. Okay. So these are the configuration settings that we have to do in the S4 side. Okay, let us come to our system. So first and foremost thing is we have to define the company. So the company code, this and all, it will be in real time experience, it will be captured by the finance team. Okay, now we will see what this one. So in the SPRO, this is the initial screen. Just enter the in the SPRO the transaction code, IMG. We can see here enterprise structure, definition. That means we are defining the org elements, the structure, org structure in S4 side. And also we will define the org structure in EWM side. Then we will do the assignment. Today, we will see the org structure definition in S4 side. Okay, so here the financial accounting, the company is there. Just define company. So just I would like to create a company with the notification, a code as V025. So we are having the copy option we can do, or here this company just I'm creating with the, for example, C309, for example, company is there. Just I will try to copy this and then I will change as per my requirement. Just click copy as option and I'm creating the company name as V025. So the description is the testing company I am giving. So the street, we can enter the details here. So let it be the Dallas street, for example, the testing, the city as Hyderabad and the country, and then language and the currency. Okay, just enter, save. So this is the TR will be captured. So the testing purpose, so I am capturing in all in my own TR. Or if it, in real practice, we need to go with our own request. The company has been created. Now we will go with the company code. Here we are having the node. So here we will go with the copy option. Just double click, copy, delete, check an option. Here the copy the organizational object. So as this is the test system, I had already created some reference company code. Just I am trying to copy from there. So my reference company code is usually in our standard practice, best practice, it is 0001. Now here test system. So just to minimize our time, just already I had created one company code EWM1 and my new company code is V025. Okay, enter the two company code so that whatever the reference data, it will be copied to our company code. Click continue. System is asking, do you want to copy the GL account company code data? That means in our reference company code, whatever the GLs exists, do we want to copy to our new company code? Yes. System is asking, do you want to copy the assignment of the controlling area? Yes. So do you really want to transport the number ranges? See, we can define our own new number ranges. So here I will click no. Just click continue. You can see here the company code EWM1 copied to V025. You can see here, this is the reference and this is the completed activity. Okay, so now our new company code has been created. Just come back. You can check here, edit company code data. Position means just to find out our exact entity. Just give V025. Yeah, it has been created. Select this and this is the details of that one, or you just double click here. You can go and change the details as per your requirement. Okay, so here you can define the address. So we can give here the region code. So this is a Telangana. So just save. So company we have created, company code we have created. Next we will see the plant. So the enterprise structure. Now we will go with the logistics general. We can see here copy, delete, check, plant. We will go with the copy option. Just click the here. This is the option for copying. Copy org object. So from plant. So as I my usually in standard is 0001. Here I will go with the S4PL, my reference plant. I'm going with the new plant will be created with the new code, plant code as V025. Just click continue. Do you want to really transport the number ranges? No. Yeah. The plant also has been created. So company code is V025. Plant is also created. Now we will go with the creation of the storage locations. And here in the plant, you can change the details. Just position V025 is our plant. Go to details. So here you can change your details. So this is the plant address. You can change. Now we will see, we will go to the materials management. Now here we will create the storage location. Now under which plant we want to create the storage locations? Our plant code is V025. Enter. So already these many storage locations has been created because the reference plant, these many having the storage locations. Here we could take only so we will delete all these three AFS, PRD, ROD. These are our required storage locations. Now storage locations has been created. Now we will go with the purchasing organization. Here this is the node for the purchasing organization. So either we can go with the copy option or just you create the new entries. So I would like to create the purchase organization as S4P2. Okay, so we will give the description. This is, say for example, test purchase organization. Purchase organization has been created. Then our next step is storage location, purchase organization, everything done. Now we will go with the shipping point. Enterprise structure, definition. So logistics execution, we can have here a defined shipping point. Okay. So here I'm using the option, this node, copy option. So copy org object, shipping point. Say if my reference is, for example, S4SH is my reference. So my required will be shipping point S4SP. Just click continue. Transport number ranges, no. Just capture. So S4, it is copied to S4SP. Our new shipping point is S4SP. Okay. Then we will define the warehouse number. Define the warehouse number. Or we can copy from our copy, delete, check and warehouse number. But here, anyhow, we will just define the warehouse number, and this warehouse number we need to assign to the EWM warehouse number. So just I will try to create a new warehouse number using the node define warehouse number. Just I will try to go and create the new warehouse number. So this is from our S4 side. Say for example, testing warehouse, TWH, testing ERP warehouse number. It's already there. Say for example, TWA, testing warehouse. This is our warehouse in S4 side. Then here I want to tell you one thing. So sales and distribution, we are having the sales organization distribution channel. So we have created the shipping point. Then we need to create the sales organization, define sales organization or copy and delete option. Just go to S4SO is my reference sales organization, and my required new sales organization will be S4S1. Okay, the sales organization also has been created. We can go and edit the data for the sales organization. Then the distribution channel. Distribution channel, I would like to use the standard only 01. Okay, it's already there. So we can create a new one. Okay. Then sales office, this and all, we'll see. So this is about the configuration settings from S4 side. We'll see assignment in next session. Thank you.